Hi, welcome back to Maribel's Adventure. So today we are in Fresno and it is my nephew's second birthday. So let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what we got going on. So this is the decoration outside. The big two. We have the jumper. It has a slide. So my nephew is actually taking his nap, so when he wakes up he's gonna see all this. How cute. And then this is a gift we got him, these two. Look at how cute this is, little Cars theme. But a balloon fell. And the little piñata's gonna go outside? Or where are you gonna put it?
Well, I asked your brother, like, are we gonna fill it with candy and then
I was gonna tell you too, I was like, is it just for decoration or are you gonna hit it? Who is that baby? She's speechless. Wow, who is that? Oh my goodness. Give us a little hop. A little hop. She looks at the camera, then she looks at me like, So Eli just woke up from his nap and he's gonna get surprised right now.
Alright, we're ready.
He's a little grumpy. Wow, Eli!
What is it?
His laugh. Oh my goodness!
Wow! What is that, Eli?
Yeah!
Ciao.
Wow!
Do you like it? How cute!
The balloons!
Let's take them outside to see it.
Look, there's more right here. Look.
Wow, Eli!
I don't have the shoes. Where are these black shoes?
I'll put them on right now. Just, you want to carry them outside?
Say hi. What's up, fool? Say hi.
I'm dead. Whoa, Eli!
What is it? No tiene zapatos. What's this?
Whoa!
Close the door right.
Wow, Eli!
What
You
is
see your
it?
balloons? You want to put this right?
I think that's where he wants to go.
Let's go. Let's go.
He didn't even fit into here.
I know. You see the balloons?
Look at all the balloons. What are your toys? Yeah. You see that?
You want to go inside? Throw them in there. I'll go in there with him.
Throw 'em in.
Me gusta cómo andas con tu pelo cortado. Vas a crecer bien grande. Vas a crecer bien
Let's go
grande.
inside, Ethan, Mom. Tetela?
Sí, sí vas a crecer.
You want to go inside?
Let's go inside. Come on.
You want to go inside? Bounce, 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 bounce.
Ready? Let's go. Hold on, let me go inside.
Careful, it's hot.
I know.
You ready?
Ready?
Go, Eli. Watch your head. Your head. There you go. Jump.
Ready? Jump. Jump. Jump.
Woo, Eli!
He wants you.
Moments later.
Want to open this one? Eli?
Which one?
Which one? Which one do you want to open?
Oh!
What is it? What is it? What is it? Open it. Ready? Right here. Here. Open it. Push it up. Push it up.
Good job, puppy.
Wow, Eli!
It's a car. Let's open.
Open another one.
Wait, don't check it.
Which one do you want to open? This one? No, son tuyos. What's in there?
Oh, I see blue. I see yellow. What else do you see, baby? see.
What is it?
Wow.
Oh, that's cute.
Paw Patrol.
Look, papi.
People like, where's the truck?
It's downhill from here.
A ver, ¿qué tiene?
Open. Ready? Yay.
Oh,
Wow.
Let me see.
oh, what is that? Spider-Man.
Wow. It's red.
Oh,
It has socks.
Oh,
Say
yeah.
socks. Socks. You know how to say socks?
Hay más.
Socks.
Oh,
Hay
don't
más.
lean on
I
that.
know.
Go over there.
What else? Blue. Ciao. More. You have more.
Oh. Hay más. Hay más. Baby, roll de Mickey.
I love this color.
That one's for me.
I love this color.
Hay más.
More?
Oh, so put this one on the floor or what?
Yeah.
Oh.
What? Who is it?
Y prende.
Is it? Whoa, they have lights, Eli.
Like the LA Gears.
I'm the.
Wow, there's more. More.
Oh, you know, that's a pimped out shirt right there.
Un niño aquí.
Ready? You want to open the box?
You know, you want to open that one?
Honey, you want to see open the box?
Oh, get it. Open it, Eli. Open it.
Open it.
Sí, papá. De aquí. Mira. Jálale.
Go, Eli. Open it. There you go.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
De aquí, mira.
It's a box. A box.
Oh.
Mira, papá.
¿Qué es? What is it?
What is it, Eli? Ábrelo.
What is it?
He's happy.
Sí, pues todo, baby. Ábrele.
Eric.
Ábrele, mamá. Ábrele.
That one's for me and Theo.
Pero no supe. Otro, mamá, ten.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, look at him.
Your daddy got some building to do. This one, I think you need like the whole drawer and everything too.
All bad. I don't know why
Hey,
that's gonna
start
come.
building this shit.
I don't know why that's gonna build already.
Start building it. It's not a gift until you build it.
No, mom was the one that said let Eric build it. He likes building things.
Yeah. It's both your presents. So Erica build it and we can write it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hi. He's just chilling and everybody's working on it.
And now the back one. Not to the left, to the right.
Right here.
So I'm all right. Look, this is how the other ones go. Ese carrito y esto no.
What he did
Yeah, you probably need a bigger hammer though. Something heavier.
it's going to be very relevant for a shorter fighter versus a taller fighter.
For this.
No, I'm not telling you to do this. I told you to do
I
this.
did.
So where's that?
Then we see
Put this here.
1 hour later.
Dale, tenemos que pegar.
Come on, let's put your diaper. Happy birthday. Okay, ready? We're gonna sit you down right here, okay? Do not touch the cake. Happy birthday. Ready? You're gonna sit down. Don't touch. Please don't touch. Don't touch. Is it a smash cake or happy? Ready?
Happy
One.
birthday.
Can you back up money or no?
Ready? 1, 2. Look at Mari. Look at Theo.
Eli.
Elijah.
Ready? 1,
1,
2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elijah. Happy birthday to you.
Ready? No. Harder. Harder. Más, papá.
Más.
Huwag ka
Go.
na cerca.
Ready? Let.
Póngalo de este lado.
Go. Happy birthday.
Pero la otra vez yo no
Más.
vamos a cantar.
Así.
¿no?
Go. Otra vez.
Yeah, help him.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ayúdale.
Ready? Ready?
Está lejos, Ceci.
Happy birthday. Cántale. Cántale, papá.
Okay, ready? You're gonna bite the cake. Bite it. Muérdale. Go. Again? Again? Go. Again. You wanna bite it? Bite it. Bite it. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Canta.
Happy birthday, dear Eli. Happy birthday to you.
Mira, pastel.
Mom, go,
Muérdele.
go.
Muérdele.
Bite it. Okay. Bravo.
Yay!
Aquí ya.